I remember stepping into my brand new bathroom, turning the handle, and being greeted by a sad, freezing trickle. I had spent weeks agonizing over hundreds of identical-looking shower systems online, only to buy a complete dud that ruined my mornings. Choosing the right shower system is an overwhelming nightmare of valves, flow rates, and cheap plastics disguised as metal. You don't have to make my expensive mistake. I spent the last 3 months rigorously testing the market's top contenders. Today, I'm ranking the 5 best shower systems, counting down to the one that completely transformed my daily routine. 5. CASAINC 12-inch high-pressure shower faucet set. When I first unboxed the CASAINC, the massive shower head immediately caught my attention. It promises a high-pressure rainfall experience, and visually, it delivers that modern, high-end spa aesthetic most of us are chasing. The inclusion of an anti-scald valve is a fantastic safety feature, especially if you have kids or live in an older building with unpredictable water pressure fluctuations. Installing the rough-in valve felt relatively straightforward, and the initial test run provided a wide, generous canopy of water that genuinely covered my whole body. However, after using it for a couple of weeks, the reality of that large 12-inch surface area started to show some cracks. While it's branded as high pressure, dispersing the standard American household water flow across such a massive head actually resulted in a surprisingly weak downpour during my testing. Unless you have exceptionally high base water pressure in your home, the water tends to feel more like a gentle drizzle than an invigorating rain. I found myself struggling to rinse shampoo out of my hair efficiently, which was frustrating when I was in a rush before work. The handheld wand is a decent addition for targeted cleaning or washing pets, but the mounting bracket left a lot to be desired. As I used it daily, the bracket felt distinctly lightweight, almost plasticky, and adjusting the angle of the wand often required 2 hands to prevent the whole assembly from shifting out of place. It completely lacked that heavy, reassuring resistance you expect from premium plumbing fixtures, making the overall experience feel a bit cheaper than the price tag suggests. Finally, the finish on the CASAINC system demands constant maintenance. Even with a good exhaust fan running in my bathroom, the metals seem to act as a magnet for hard water stains and frustrating fingerprints. 4. BWE 12-inch black shower system faucet. The BWE aims straight for the trendy, industrial chic market. Out of the box, the matte black finish is undeniably striking, offering a bold contrast against standard white subway tiles. It features a versatile 3-function system, including a Rainfall head, a handheld sprayer, and a very cool-looking waterfall spout. When I first fired up the waterfall feature, it was visually spectacular, creating a soothing, thick ribbon of water that felt amazing on sore shoulders after a long day at the gym. Yet, the day-to-day reality of managing this 3-function system proved to be slightly chaotic. The pressure balancing valve does its job, keeping the temperature steady, but the diverter knob used to switch between the rain head, the wand, and the waterfall is frustratingly stiff. With soapy hands, I constantly found myself fighting the dial just to switch from the overhead rain to the handheld wand. It completely broke the relaxation spell of the shower, turning a simple mode switch into an annoying minor wrestling match every single morning. Another glaring issue I encountered during testing was the durability of the matte black finish. Matte black is notoriously difficult to get right, and unfortunately, the BWE system started showing tiny chips around the edges of the diverter valve within just a month of regular use. The underlying brass color peeking through the black paint immediately cheapens the look of the entire installation. You have to be incredibly careful when cleaning it, strictly avoiding any abrasive sponges or harsh chemicals that might accelerate the peeling. Furthermore, while the Rainfall head is generous in size, the water distribution is uneven. I noticed that the nozzles around the outer perimeter of the 12-inch square head had significantly less pressure than those in the dead center. 3. Delta Faucet 9-spray slide bar handheld shower with hose. This is where the quality shift becomes incredibly apparent. Unlike the previous 2, This isn't a massive overhead rain system, but what it lacks in sheer size, it makes up for with outstanding engineering and everyday utility. I installed this in my guest bathroom, and frankly, I found myself using it more than my master bath. The stainless steel finish is gorgeous, practically immune to water spots, and feels incredibly robust right out of the box. The real magic of this Delta system lies in the 9 distinct spray settings. I spent days cycling through them, and unlike cheaper shower heads where the settings feel completely identical, every single mode here serves a distinct, useful purpose. The massaging spray is genuinely powerful, utilizing Delta's advanced water routing to create a pulsating stream that easily worked out the knots in my back. Meanwhile, the drenching full-body spray provides an incredibly satisfying, thick stream that rinses out heavy conditioner in seconds. The inclusion of a slide bar completely elevates the shower experience, especially in a multi-person household. Being able to smoothly adjust the height of the shower head with a simple click of a button is an absolute game changer. Whether it was me at 6'2" or a shorter family member, we could perfectly position the spray without having to contort our bodies. The slide mechanism is buttery smooth and locks into place with a satisfying, secure click, showing none of the flimsiness I experienced with lower-rank brackets. Another massive win for the Delta system is the hose. It's a generous length and actually drapes naturally right away out of the packaging. 2. American Standard Spectra Versa Shower System. If you want the luxury of a dual shower system, an overhead rain head plus a handheld wand, but you're absolutely terrified of ripping open your bathroom walls to replumb, this is your holy grail. The Spectra Versa is designed as a retrofit system, meaning it installs using your existing shower plumbing. I had this beautiful, functioning dual system up and running in under an hour with just basic hand tools. Once installed, the performance is nothing short of spectacular. The transition between the 11-inch overhead shower and the handheld unit is handled by a remarkably sleek, integrated diverter located right at the base of the slide bar. It's positioned perfectly at waist height, meaning no more reaching up blindly with soapy eyes to switch flows. The diverter action is incredibly smooth, and it allows you to run both the overhead rain and the hand shower simultaneously, creating a truly immersive, wraparound water experience that feels like a high-end spa. The water delivery itself is phenomenal. American Standard managed to design the shower head nozzles so that even when running both heads at once, the pressure remains consistent and highly satisfying. The overhead unit provides a drenching, uniform cascade that feels deeply relaxing, easily avoiding the weak drizzle effect of the lower-ranked models. The handheld wand features multiple spray patterns, and I found its targeted massage setting to be incredibly effective for rinsing down the shower walls during cleaning day. Beyond the mechanics, the build quality feels wonderfully premium. The metal components have a heavy, confident weight to them, and the finish has proven to be incredibly resilient against daily wear and tear. 1. EVERSTEIN 12-inch high-pressure Rainfall shower faucet. After months of testing, stepping under this system felt like I had been transported to a 5-star resort in the Swiss Alps. The brushed finish is exquisitely applied, offering a sophisticated, muted elegance that completely resists fingerprints and water spots effortlessly. It simply looks and feels expensive, but the aesthetics are just the beginning. The meticulous engineering behind the wall is what truly sets this system apart from everything else on the market today. The defining feature of the EVERSTEIN is its flawless high-pressure water delivery. Unlike other 12-inch systems that struggle to push water through a large head, EVERSTEIN utilizes an advanced air injection technology. It mixes ambient air with the water flow, creating massive, heavy water droplets that cascade down with incredible force. Even on days when my home's base water pressure dipped, this system delivered a thunderous, enveloping downpour that washed away stress instantly. Rinsing thick soap and shampoo takes mere seconds, yet the aerated drops feel soft and luxurious against the skin. The thermostatic rough-in valve is an absolute masterpiece of plumbing technology. During my testing, I purposely flushed toilets and ran the kitchen dishwasher while showering, trying to induce that dreaded blast of freezing cold or scalding hot water. The EVERSTEIN valve reacted instantly, maintaining the exact temperature I had set without a single degree of fluctuation. The solid brass construction of the valve body is incredibly hefty, assuring me that this system was built to last for decades behind the drywall without requiring sudden, catastrophic repairs. The handheld wand complements the overhead rain perfectly, offering a sleek, minimalist design that packs a surprising punch in terms of flow rate. Ultra. That's all for today, folks.